Hey, what's up? I got a chance to use this 2.5-inch whoop again. I built this from scratch. I designed the frame using FreeCAD, and I sent I think it's called FMR. I couldn't remember FML or FXML. I couldn't remember the exact extension of the format to some company. I forgot which company it was. But anyways, I'll have to redo this again because it's a little heavy. So I'm gonna remove this part, yeah, the guards, and I'll just keep the bottom guard. And then I'm gonna make this half, cut it into like shorter length. So it's gonna be thinner, lighter, and then maybe compress it more, like shorter, just like the old Cinelog. This was actually a Cinelog 25 back then, and but this one flies better. But anyways, today the reason why I had to use this is because I didn't want to miss the beautiful flowers from my mature crab apple tree. And yeah, it's this one. And then it's been a while since I last used Gyroflow. I only use it when I'm cruising, okay? And the last time I used it was like maybe 2 years ago. I couldn't remember. I used it when, let's see, when I went to Nevada and then I cruised the mountains. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, like that. Neil FPV mountain. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, or maybe I did use this as well 1 year ago. 1 year ago. That's not 1 year ago. It's more than. Maybe it's gonna turn into 2 years. Maybe we'll see the month here.
You see this tree right
No,
here?
it doesn't
It's a boy
say.
tree. Boy trees produce pollen, which
Yeah, I used Gyroflow here. Maybe 1.1 version. I couldn't remember. Yeah, I don't know if it says in. Yeah, it doesn't say the version. Oh, sorry about the sound. Yeah, I like this part. I think this is when I'm gonna dive. Let's see. No, where is it? There you go. So yeah, it was my first time diving my 7-inch quad, and I used Crossfire here, and we were there. So that's about maybe 2 to 2.5 miles away. Yeah, anyways, let's stop watching that. So today I flew my 2.5-inch whoop. It was a bit, not a bit. It's a little windy today, about 16 miles per hour according to weather.com. And it was a little wobbly like that, I can tell during the flight. And normally I don't usually use Gyroflow. I only use it when I'm using this or the 7-inch quad, since I use it for how do you call this, for cruising. Yeah, like this one, it's only cruise. And then yeah, it's the latest version too. I mean, latest version as well. The one I'm using, it's version 1.5.4, and looks like it's like 15% faster than the last version I used. I couldn't remember the one I used last time. Maybe it's version 1.2. But anyways, here's the exported version. But I have not post processed it yet with how do you call this? With DaVinci Resolve, and I'll be adding color grading here, so it will look a little better. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's really nice. I like it. Maybe I'm gonna make it a little slower because it's too fast. It was hard to control because it was so windy today. Yeah. You know what? I should have used 160 for the shutter so that I can slow it down better. I picked 1/30. Yeah, that was wrong. Yeah. You see, it's really fast. Now, if I slow this down, it's gonna there will be parts that will look crap because DaVinci Resolve is going to do some math, and then sometimes it actually ruins the image or the frame. Yeah, anyways, there you go, guys. Gyroflow 1.5.4. I really like this version, and again, I only use it for my flights that are just cruising. I don't use Gyroflow for when I'm doing S-Bang or any FPV freestyle. Yeah, it just makes a very weird movement when I post process my FPV freestyle with Gyroflow. I really hate when it's like zooming in and out, and then especially when there's an object near the drone, it makes a really weird movement, and it's not really nice. So I usually keep the raw footage, and I just color grade it. Anyways, guys, let me. Yeah, it's real fast. I don't like that. It was so windy. I'm trying to, and especially look at the angle. Yeah, this is about, what's that? Maybe about 15 degrees. Yeah. And then maybe I should change it to 5 so I can even make it slower. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you later. Bye.